It's actually raining today. You wouldn't believe all the shit I hauled out of here. Okay, so first off, got a couple CDs. Newer Country, Trace Atkins, Jamie Johnston, and Star Wars. Lego Star Wars, the Menace. Padawan Menace. So this is broken. We know this is broken. It was $6. The belt's probably off of it. It's got a table error. Some guy in the store approached me and was very aggressive. He says, what do you got there? What is that? Oh, those are always junk. And then he's like basically telling me, oh, the belt's always come up. I said, I got one at home. I have no problems with it. He's like, oh no, I just fixed one. I sold it for $300. I said, you did what? Oh yeah, I sold it for $300. I said, you should be ashamed of yourself. Anyway, he started to get a little funky with me. I was like, dude, stop talking to me. Get the hell away from me. I don't want to talk to your shady ass. And he just kept going on and on. I was just like, dude, leave me alone. Stop talking to me. I am not giving it to you. I don't care. I don't want to hear about it. And he kept going, and I was like, look, leave me alone. You're harassing me at this point. And he said something else. I was like, look, you're harassing me. Keep it up. I'll just call the cops on you, dude. I don't have time for this crap. I don't care what your problem is. So anyway, 10 minutes later, I think it was the same guy came up to me and asked me what I had in my cart. And I told him, I said, don't worry about it. It's not yours. I'm buying it. And so this was two people who were like super interested in these mega storage things. It was crazy. So we got ambidextrous mouse. The dude brought me out this. I guess he was holding it for me. Some Turtle Beach, really, really nice connector, which I needed because these things go bad. And then this Anker Bluetooth keyboard. So, and I paired it to my phone. It's got a part for Windows and Android and iOS. So that's pretty cool. And then we get a couple of $9 360 controllers. I had to spend my money back from that bad drone that I returned. So the drone was bad. Here's a Connect for my really old Xbox One. So I had to recover from the drone to get my money back because they only give you in-store credit. So anyway, that's what we got today.